Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've been searching for the mascara that delivers endless volume and length without clumping, you're in the right place today. I know we all struggle to find a mascara that can truly build up without turning into a messy, spidery lash situation. So today, I'm reviewing the MAC Stack Mascara, a product that promises to give you stacked lashes with just a few layers. If you're looking for that bold, voluminous look, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our reviews. Let's jump right in with the product details. The MAC Stack Mascara comes in at 0.41 ounce, which might seem small, but the magic is in the brush and formula. It promises buildable volume and length with no clumps. The formula is designed to be long-wearing, smudge-resistant, and it's ophthalmologist tested, making it suitable for those with sensitive eyes or contact lens wearers. The standout feature here is the Superstack macro brush. It's designed to coat every lash from root to tip, ensuring that no lash is left behind. The bristles are dense yet flexible, allowing you to layer it on without any excess product clumping together. If you're someone who loves adding layer after layer of mascara, this brush design is definitely a game changer. When I tested this mascara, I was impressed by how smooth and even the formula went on. It was easy to apply, and I didn't have to deal with any excess product. I used it in my regular makeup routine, applying 2 to 3 coats, and the difference was immediately noticeable. My lashes looked noticeably fuller and longer, with a natural lift that didn't weigh them down. I wore it through a full day, and it didn't flake, smudge, or lose volume. I love that my lashes didn't feel stiff either. The biggest pro for me is the buildability. As promised, you can add layer after layer for more volume, and it won't clump. The formula stayed smooth, and my lashes kept their curl throughout the day. Plus, the mascara didn't feel heavy on my lashes, which is often an issue with other volumizing mascaras. However, the formula isn't perfect for everyone. While it did an excellent job of adding volume and length, those looking for extreme separation might find it lacking. It's not going to give you that perfectly defined spider leg lash look. But if you prefer a more natural stacked look that builds up beautifully, this is a great choice. Now let's talk value for money. The MAC Stack Mascara is priced in the mid to high range for a mascara, but it's worth it if you're looking for a versatile, buildable formula. It's not a bargain mascara, but the performance justifies the price. For the amount of product you get and the quality of the formula, I'd say it's a solid investment for your beauty routine. I did a quick comparison with a couple of other popular volumizing mascaras out there, and the MAC Stack really holds its own. While some drugstore mascaras can offer a similar volume, they don't always deliver the buildability and long-lasting wear that this one does. For those who want a mascara that won't budge and gives that clean, layered look, it's hard to beat. The packaging feels luxurious, and the design of the tube is sleek and stylish. It's not the most compact, but it's travel-friendly enough. As for longevity, the formula held up throughout the day, and my lashes looked great from morning to night. I didn't experience any smudging or flaking, which is always a huge plus for me. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, let's talk about customer support. I haven't had a chance to interact with MAC's customer service personally for this product, but based on my past experiences, they're generally responsive and reliable when it comes to handling inquiries. As for alternatives, I've seen other mascaras that provide similar volume and length, like the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara or the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. However, those formulas tend to be a little thicker and sometimes a bit more prone to clumping. If you want the best of both worlds, volume and length without the mess, MAC Stack may just be your top pick. To wrap it up, the MAC Stack Mascara is an excellent option for anyone who wants voluminous, long lashes without the clumps. It builds beautifully without weighing lashes down, and the long-wearing formula means you can count on it to stay put. If you like to layer your mascara without the worry of it becoming too heavy, this is a great choice. Thank you so much for watching. The link to purchase this mascara can be found in the comments or the description box below. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.